furnace of upgrade. The furnace is a burning place. Understand? Now, imagine we go to the book of Isaiah chapter 48 verse 10. I want us to go to that scripture. Let's go to the book of Isaiah. And we shall read it to verse 11. Okay. It says, behold, we shall need a Uganda version here also. It says, behold, I have refined you, but not as silver. I have tested you in the furnace of affliction. For my own sake, I will do it. For how should my name be profaned, and I will not give my glory to another? Are we understanding this?